Welcome to UPDF's official YouTube channel. Today, we will help you understand how to add text fields to PDF form on Mac using one of the best PDF editors. Before starting, make sure that you have downloaded UPDF on your Mac with the help of the link provided in the description. Text entered in PDF text fields becomes searchable within the document, due to which data management is improved. So let's follow these steps and see how you can add a text field to PDF form on Mac. Launch UPDF and hit Open File option. Choose Prepare Form. Choose the text field option and drop it at the desired location in the PDF file. Double-click on it to access its properties, from which you can change the style of the field. This includes color, text size, and many other options. Before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification button. That way, you will get a notification for our future updates, and we will see you in another helpful review soon.